Picture yourself surrounded by an endless expanse of water, miles away from any land. As you descend deeper and deeper into the ocean's depths, the sunlight fades, and you're plunged into a world of perpetual darkness. It's a world few humans have ever witnessed, but what we know about it is astonishing. Did you know that the ocean covers over 70% of the Earth's surface and contains 97% of the planet's water? The ocean is also home to many species, with estimates ranging from 700,000 to 1 million, most of which are still unknown. The ocean's average depth is around 3,800 meters, and its deepest point is the Mariana Trench, which reaches a depth of 11,034 meters. As we journey down to depths of 11,034 meters below sea level, we enter a realm where sunlight cannot penetrate, and the immense pressure can crush most lifeforms. This is a realm of bizarre and terrifying creatures, ghostly shipwrecks, and geological phenomena that appear almost alien. In this video, we will explore some of the most horrifying and awe-inspiring places in the ocean's depths, shedding light on the mysteries of the deep sea. What was found in the deepest places of the ocean? As you venture into the ocean's depths, a world of mystery and wonder awaits. Each layer offers a unique environment with its inhabitants and features. So let's journey through the ocean's depths and discover an incredible ecosystem and organisms found at each depth. Starting at the surface, we have the epipelagic zone at 0 to 200 meters, where the sun's rays can penetrate the water, allowing photosynthesis. This bustling zone is teeming with life, including fish, sharks, dolphins, and sea turtles. As we dive deeper, we enter the mesopelagic zone at 200 to 1,000 meters, also known as the twilight zone. Here the sunlight fades, and we encounter bioluminescent creatures like lanternfish, hatchetfish, and jellyfish. It's also home to larger predators like swordfish and big-eye tuna. Moving deeper, we enter the bathypelagic zone at 1,000 to 4,000 meters. Here is also called the midnight zone, where no sunlight reaches. The cold and pressure are intense here. Only deep-sea creatures adapted to these harsh conditions can survive. As a result, you'll find creatures like anglerfish, deep-sea squid, and giant amphipods lurking in the darkness. Continuing our descent, we reach the abyssopelagic zone, which is at 4,000 to 6,000 meters, or the abyssal zone, where we encounter unique ecosystems like abyssal plains and creatures like the sea cucumber, sea spiders, and deep-sea octopus. Cold seeps and deep-sea coral gardens also make their home in this zone. Finally, we arrive at the deepest part of the ocean, the hadopelagic zone at 6,000 to 11,000 meters, which includes the deep-sea trenches. The Mariana Trench is the deepest point on Earth and lies in this zone. Here we find creatures like the hadal snailfish, amphipods, and various types of microorganisms that have adapted to survive in this extreme environment. The Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench directly results from the subduction process, which occurs when two tectonic plates collide and one plate slides beneath the other. The trench is situated along the boundary between the Pacific Plate and the smaller Mariana Plate. The Pacific Plate, composed of dense oceanic crust, is forced downward beneath the less thick Mariana Plate, which comprises a lighter continental crust. This downward movement of the Pacific Plate creates a deep, narrow trench along the plate boundary. The formation of the Mariana Trench began approximately 180 million years ago during the Jurassic period. However, the trench has evolved over millions of years, with its depth and geology continuously changing as the tectonic plates shift and interact. The ongoing subduction process shapes the Mariana Trench, making it an attractive and ever-changing geological feature. The Challenger Deep is the deepest point in the Mariana Trench and the world's oceans. Located at the southern end of the trench, it reaches an astonishing depth of about 10,994 meters. The extreme pressure and cold temperatures at this depth create a hostile environment, challenging researchers to develop innovative technologies to study this uncharted territory. Another significant feature of the Mariana Trench is the Serena Deep, the second deepest part of the trench. It's situated approximately 200 kilometers east of the Challenger Deep and reaches a depth of roughly 10,809 meters. The Hasek Deep is a less explored region of the Mariana Trench, situated around 130 kilometers northwest of the Challenger Deep. It is the third deepest point in the trench, with a depth of about 8,991 meters. Exploration and research. The first recorded exploration of the Mariana Trench dates back to 1875, when the British survey ship HMS Challenger conducted a series of soundings during the Challenger expedition. The deepest point, Challenger Deep, is named in honor of this expedition. In 1951, the Danish research vessel Galathea conducted additional soundings in the area, confirming the Challenger's findings and furthering the understanding of the trench's depth. The first crewed descent into the Mariana Trench occurred on January 23, 1960, where the Swiss-designed bathyscaphe Trieste, manned by U.S. Navy Lieutenant Don Walsh and Swiss oceanographer Jacques Piccard, reached the bottom of the Challenger Deep. The Trieste withstood the extreme pressure at these depths and spent approximately 20 minutes on the sea floor before ascending to the surface. This groundbreaking dive was crucial for the understanding of the feasibility of deep-sea exploration. Since the Trieste dive, most exploration of the Mariana Trench has been conducted using remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs. These robotic explorers can collect data, capture images and videos, and even retrieve samples from the trench without risking human lives. In 2016, a deep-sea challenge expedition led by filmmaker James Cameron also reached the bottom of the trench using a custom-designed submersible. What are the discoveries made at the Mariana Trench? The Mariana Trench is located in a subduction zone, where the Pacific Plate is being forced underneath the Mariana Plate, leading to intense volcanic and seismic activity. As a result, several active volcanoes have been discovered in the region, including seamounts and underwater volcanic arcs. These volcanic features contribute to the trench's diverse geology and unique ecosystems. A particularly striking discovery made in the Mariana Trench is the presence of underwater sulfur lakes. These lakes, found at the bottom of some hydrothermal vent fields, consist of liquid sulfur trapped within depressions in the seafloor. The temperature and pressure at these depths prevent the sulfur from solidifying, creating a unique and otherworldly environment. These sulfur lakes support extremophile organisms that can withstand the harsh chemical conditions. Hydrothermal vents, also known as black smokers, are chimney-like structures that release superheated, mineral-rich water from the Earth's crust. They are found in the Mariana Trench and other deep-sea environments. The water released by black smokers is rich in dissolved metals and other chemicals, precipitating when the water comes into contact with the cold, deep-sea environment, forming characteristic chimney structures. These vents support unique ecosystems, with organisms relying on chemosynthesis rather than photosynthesis for their energy needs. What are the biodiversity and ecosystem? The Mariana Trench ecosystem is characterized by darkness, high pressure, and low pressures, with organisms found at various depths. The upper parts of the trench, down to 1,000 meters, contain a more diverse array of species, including different fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. As the depth increases, the number of species decreases, but the uniqueness of the remaining organisms becomes more pronounced. Researchers estimate that the trench is home to over 200 species. Many deep-sea organisms, such as the lanternfish and various species of jellyfish, have developed bioluminescence as a means of communication, predation, and defense. This ability to produce light in the absence of sunlight allows these creatures to survive and thrive in the darkness of the trench. Organisms in the Mariana Trench have developed unique physiological adaptations to withstand extreme pressures up to 1,000 times greater than at sea level, and temperatures as low as 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Food sources are scarce in the deep sea, and organisms have adapted their feeding habits accordingly. Many species are opportunistic scavengers, like the deep-sea amphipods, which feed on organic material that sink from the surface. Others, like the anglerfish, have evolved specialized hunting techniques to capture prey in the darkness. What species are found in the Mariana Trench? The Hadal snailfish or Pseudolopyrus wires are small, gelatinous fish and the deepest dwelling species known. It has been observed at depths of up to 8,076 meters within the Mariana Trench. Amphipods, small crustaceans, have also been found at depths of over 10,000 meters in the Mariana Trench. Researchers have reported catching over 200 amphipods in a trap deployed at 10,898 meters. Xenophyophores have also been found in these deep depths. These are single-celled organisms that reach sizes of up to 10 centimeters in diameter. While their abundance is unknown, they have been found at depths of around 6,000 meters within the trench. Deep-sea cucumbers such as the pentagon species and deep-sea sponges and corals have also been observed in the Mariana Trench. The Kermadec Trench. The Kermadec Trench is another extreme deep ocean environment that evokes a sense of horror and fascination due to its unique features, immense depths, and the extraordinary marine life it harbors. Located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, the Kermadec Trench is a deep underwater trench formed by the subduction of the Pacific Plate beneath the Indo-Australian Plate. Extending over 1,000 kilometers from the northeastern coast of New Zealand's North Island to the Louisville Seamount chain, it reaches depths of up to 10,047 meters, making it one of the deepest trenches in the world. Several species of snailfish and yeti crab have been discovered in the Kermadec Trench, including the deepest dwelling fish in the world. This Pseudoliparus amblystomopsis has been found at depths of over 8,000 meters. The Tonga Trench. Situated in the South Pacific Ocean, the Tonga Trench stretches 1,500 miles from the Kermadec Islands to the Samoan Islands. The trench reaches depths of up to 10,882 meters, making it the second deepest ocean trench in the world, surpassed only by the Mariana Trench. The Tonga Trench has high tectonic plate activity, resulting in frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The trench is part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, a zone that encircles the Pacific Ocean and is known for its intense volcanic and seismic activity. The Tonga Trench's dynamic geological setting gives rise to deep-sea hydrothermal vents and seamounts, creating diverse and unique marine life habitats. Goblin sharks are found here. With their elongated snouts, protruding jaws, and needle-like teeth, goblin sharks are among the most unusual and fearsome-looking deep-sea creatures. They inhabit depths of up to 1,300 meters and use their highly sensitive snouts to detect the electric fields produced by their prey. Other life forms found at this depth include fang-toothed fish and barrel-eye fish. Exploring the ocean's depths is a fascinating but challenging endeavor, and the deeper we go, the more mysterious and terrifying it becomes. From the Mariana Trench to the Kermadec Trench, these places are home to some of the most extreme conditions on our planet, with immense pressure, complete darkness, and freezing temperatures. As we continue to explore and study these scary places in the ocean, we can only imagine what other fascinating and terrifying discoveries await us in the depths below. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the mysteries of the universe. See you next time.